Only 5 movements and your body changes after 50, proven. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 50 and want to know the secret to staying healthy, strong, and youthful, you're in the right place. We all know that as we get older, our bodies start to change, our energy levels drop, our muscles weaken, and sometimes, it feels like no matter how much we try, we can't get that youthful vitality back. But here's the good news, it's not too late to transform your body. In today's video, we're going to explore just 5 simple movements, yes, just 5, that have been proven to change your body after 50. These movements require no fancy equipment, and you don't have to spend hours in the gym. What's even more amazing is that they're specifically designed to target the areas that need it most as we age: muscle tone, flexibility, balance, and overall strength. If you're thinking, can 5 simple movements really make that much of a difference? Stick around, because we're about to change your entire outlook on fitness after 50. Ready to feel stronger, move better, and even look younger? Let's dive in. But before we get started, here's a little challenge for you. If I told you that these 5 movements could make you feel 10 years younger and get you fitter than ever before, would you believe me? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. These movements are scientifically backed and will change the way you feel, move, and look. Section 1. Why after 50 matters. Now, before we get into the movements, let's talk about why after 50 is such an important milestone in our fitness journey. As we age, several things start to change in our bodies. Our metabolism slows down, muscle mass decreases, and joint flexibility becomes a bit more limited. But here's the kicker, it doesn't have to be this way. Research shows that with the right movements and habits, you can reverse or slow down many of these effects. It's not about trying to turn back time but about learning how to adapt your fitness routine to meet the needs of your body as it changes. That's why these 5 movements are so important. They target key areas of your body that often get neglected as we age, and they're designed to work in harmony with the changes our bodies go through after 50. Trust me, if you can stick with these exercises consistently, you'll be amazed at the transformation. I know what you're thinking, but aren't these exercises just for older people? And my answer is no, absolutely not. These exercises can be adapted for anyone at any age, but they're specifically formulated to help those over 50 combat the most common challenges we face with age, like joint pain, stiffness, and muscle loss. Section 2. The squat, the foundation of strength. Let's start with the squat, and no, I'm not talking about crazy, heavy barbell squats. The basic bodyweight squat is one of the most powerful movements you can do, especially after 50. Why? Because squats engage almost every muscle group in your body, from your legs and glutes to your core and even your lower back. As we age, muscle mass decreases, and this can lead to a loss of strength and mobility. But the beauty of the squat is that it's a functional movement, meaning it helps us with everyday activities like getting out of a chair, walking, or climbing stairs. And the best part? Squats don't require any equipment, just your body. Start with a simple air squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and gently lower yourself as if you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees tracking over your toes. Hold for a moment at the bottom, then slowly rise. You might find that your knees or hips feel a little stiff at first, that's okay. Start slow and gradually increase your range of motion. The key is to work within your limits and then progressively challenge yourself as you get stronger. But wait, did you know that not doing squats can actually make you weaker and more prone to falls as you age? That's right, the more you squat, the less you risk falling, because squats strengthen the muscles that keep you stable and agile. So if you're worried about falling or losing your mobility, adding squats to your routine is an absolute must. Section 3. The push-up, strength and mobility for the upper body. Next, let's talk about the push-up, one of the best exercises for building upper body strength. As we age, muscle loss doesn't just affect our legs and core, it affects our arms, chest, and shoulders, too. But what's amazing about push-ups is that they engage multiple muscle groups at once, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I really do push-ups after 50? Absolutely. You can start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups to build strength and gradually work your way up to regular push-ups. The key is to keep your body straight, lower yourself slowly to the ground, and push back up. This simple movement not only strengthens your upper body but also helps maintain joint health by promoting mobility and flexibility in the shoulders and wrists. Proven benefits. 1. Strengthens the arms, chest, and shoulders. 2. Improves joint mobility in the wrists and shoulders. 3. Increases core strength and stability. 4. Boosts bone density in the upper body. But here's a little secret: push-ups are one of the best ways to stay youthful. If you can still perform push-ups as you age, it's a sign that your upper body is staying strong, mobile, and resilient. Section 4. The bridge, strengthening the core and glutes. Moving on to the glute bridge, an incredible exercise that targets the glutes, lower back, and core. This is one of the most effective movements for improving posture, reducing back pain, and building strength in the lower body. As we age, the glutes tend to weaken, which can lead to poor posture and lower back pain. The bridge helps to activate the glutes and strengthen the lower back muscles, creating a powerful support system for your spine. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press your heels into the ground, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for a few seconds at the top, then lower back down. Proven benefits. 1. Strengthens the glutes and lower back. 2. Improves posture and reduces back pain. 3. Activates the core and boosts core strength. 4. Enhances hip mobility and flexibility. And here's something many people don't know: strong glutes and a strong core are the key to avoiding back pain. If you're suffering from lower back pain after 50, this is your answer. So why not start strengthening those muscles now and say goodbye to discomfort? Section 5. The standing calf raise, boosting stability and strength in the lower legs. Last but certainly not least is the standing calf raise. As we age, the muscles in the lower legs, including the calves, tend to lose strength and flexibility, which can lead to poor balance and even falls. But the calf raise is a simple yet powerful movement that will target those muscles and help improve stability. To do a calf raise, stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly raise up onto the balls of your feet. Hold at the top for a moment, then lower back down. You can add resistance by holding onto something for support, or if you're feeling more advanced, try doing them on an elevated surface like a step. Proven benefits. Improves balance and stability. Strengthens the calves, helping with walking and stability. Reduces the risk of falls by improving leg strength. Enhances ankle mobility. Can you believe that doing just calf raises regularly can improve your overall posture and strength? It's true. These little movements might seem insignificant, but they target muscles that are essential for everything from walking to climbing stairs. And there you have it, 5 simple movements that will change your body after 50. These exercises aren't just about getting stronger, they're about preserving your independence, enhancing your mobility, and most importantly, helping you live your best life after 50. If you stick with these movements consistently, you'll start noticing changes in just a few weeks: improved posture, reduced pain, more energy, and the ability to move with more freedom. So, if you're ready to transform your body and your life, give these exercises a try. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to start with. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Remember, you're never too old to feel great and move better. It's all about starting with the right movements at the right time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.